So the purpose of this meeting is for Vocus, NEXTDC and Prysmian Group to all come together to all discuss how we better connect NEXTDC data center facilities. What we're trying to solve here today is literally all come together and try and work out the best outcome for our customers.
In Sydney, we're using them to connect to our brand new data center in Gore Hill, S3. So we have a couple of data centers already in Macquarie Park, S1 and S2, and using Vocus as our main connectivity partner to our brand new center. They're, getting in from the ground up, basically, and literally, because their fiber's in the ground. A really important partner to get us open on day one. So significant in that, they're one of the first partners that we're using to enable this new data center as one of the most important ones, because the connectivity to the data center is really what enables customers to use that space.
Data center providers, cloud connectivity and all of the demand for capacity that we've got going on in the network right now. It is all about providing a fibre network between those sites that is the lowest latency and obviously the highest capacity. For us, it is about connecting point A to point B in the shortest path possible and deliver like a world-class high capacity network.
We've supplied Vocus cable since the day the network started rolling out. We've got a very close both commercial relationship as well as technical relationship. They tell us what's working, what's not, what their wish list is. We've got a strong R&D facility here which will then take their ideas and actually turn them into cable and solutions. Probably an interesting stat is that the cable we're talking about now is a 1,728 fibre cable. At the moment, that's the largest cable we make locally. So the appetite for fibre is growing every year. The technology that's going into the fibre is jumping in leaps and bounds. So it's a very exciting industry to be in.
But for us, obviously working together as a partner, NEXTDC will have the sites, Vocus, run and operate a high capacity, highly resilient, low latency network. Look, with the relationship with Prysmian, obviously when we're rolling out a high capacity fibre network, we need it to be the world-class leading fibre.
When we talk to the customers about supplying connectivity between different sites, they ask us a variety of questions. How can you ensure that it's got diversity? How can you ensure that the quality is there? And we can just tell them with, hand on heart that we absolutely have the trust that what we're delivering together with Vocus between our data centers is the highest quality. If you go to somebody else, you're going to have to do your research. If you come to us, you can trust that we'll have hand on heart and we'll tell you that you're getting what you're expecting.
We're as busy as we've ever been. We're a manufacturer in Australia. We're lean and mean, but we're very competitive. We've got good service, good quality. We're fast, and we can compete with overseas exports.